The Christmas season is one for reflection, spiritual renewal, and celebration of blessings with family and friends. During this time of year, people come together to share in the spirit of the season by bringing out the best in each other and by reminding one another of being grateful for our lives. In what may be termed as social responsibility, the Dorbar Shnong extended its support to the local vegetable vendors of Laikumkra market, who for 2 months now have had to set up stall on the pedestrian sidewalk along the main road after the structure of the indoor market had burnt to ashes on the 28th of October 2022 due to a recent fire in the market complex. On 13th December 2022, just before Christmas, the local vegetable stall owners and vendors were once again able to move shop to the indoor marketplace that had been rebuilt, the renovation of which had been done through help rendered by the MLA of East Shillong constituency, Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdor, the local Dorbar of Laikumkra locality, the Shillong Municipal Board, and other civic and administrative bodies. While speaking to a few vendors, it was learned of the many challenges and hardships that they had to undergo while selling their agricultural products in temporary stalls on the roadside. As they expressed their gratitude to the MLA and the Dorbar Shnong for help extended to them, they also urged upon concerned authorities like the MESCB to see to it that no untoward incident leading to destruction and man-made calamities should not happen in the future.
Kami presiden eleksi tom yang kumno bangin yasong sipor ila yasong sipor isu jenjar katakan lum kalang katakan sei ke isu jenjar hadian pakuntu baki la tres tom pati la lek loy ben pendep no ya kan blaing ti ngila kan susup ya katakan lum kalang mo mangila bu be jaju ani kacing jongi te babun Namar balai ngila du lut kebai seng kebai dang ngila du lut kitiar baro kat kibicing dan cing em jongi ngila du lut baro nisngau ba kata cing jongi ngi hapan kleb yang ya katu kebangi ladu baro si kata tengi hapan treis tom yang ngi hapan temi yang ya katu ka ladu baro si kata mal kata ka tip ke surka na kalian surka du kala ban yarap ni kami yarap ni ngintip hadukan mentang isi ngimpat yo ikat yarap surka oh hadin si benai tam ngi sayo rumbiang hang ni kapor ba laing kan ni di presiden jongi lale sitom ngi asyong hang tiap krom badi do masih do senang ti hakmat hang tu ngi asyong sitom hang tu tengi ngimbang ser bengin asyong bagi ya kamai cakpo mo ngi hak da sitom no ngi hap syong la ka syong tang banyo khaw tang man ra khaw ki kon chayin ngi kwa ba kini ki baterai ya kan ne kalan ke ngim kwa so bancha kum ne namar ba ngi cincar pala dala ja kum ne mo ngi sem cing sibun yang i bangin kile beng ngi kwa ba ki ba pe ya kan ne kalat ke kum ne ro bakin trei hong trei ba bakan nam don so ke cincak basusi nang ne sekman
sukumen mantap marbala ingin yo je jinjar sya bahaying don khun ro ban ai magasing ke jimbam sibun tate ban ai khun ngam yo su marbala ingin yo ne jinge de bun ba marba tang wi jar hame yo don su na du ikot thaw du pla ki baro la inglut jinjar kan.
One of the headmen of Laikumkra locality, Andrew Jirwa, who had spoken to a Media Plus correspondent, said that after a joint inspection by the 3 local headmen and officials of the municipal board of the vegetable indoor market, the local vendors were once again moved to the newly renovated stalls inside the market complex. Though challenges are many, yet with the cooperation of all administrative and civic bodies and local residents, the well-being and welfare of the vendors will be once again safeguarded, added Laikumkra headman Andrew Jirwa.
Ki infrastructure kendiat ki hamdon ke delay kendiat day ba jing sna jing pan bhai biang sai sen ke dengan yo te hendrai ngi kermen pat ba kumbang ila ikendo yo chief minister hak tu sngi bala ing ha ba dengan yo bala ing bat ki jingkular ki bana kaliang jong chief minister ba ula kular ban ai si kinok song yo kumba si folak tengka bat ha jong por jing kular jong MLA ru ba in nakaliang ka jong iru ba in bailang ya kata jing lot jing ya ka jing lot jing sap gi damages ki jing do jong ki ba song yo hong to ki incur ki losses ki jong ki nakaliang ka jong iru ila kular ek tak folak tengka i kemen ba lese ka kumba ka ni ka yo kala dei ka kawai ni ki Christmas gift ya ki nong song yo tinggal kemen ba ka ni ka pisaru nakaliang jong sarkar nakaliang MLA ru kan poino syaki tu bala ado bala julor ya ki mari mata ki joki kenapa kiru ki lebla ban recover khendiat konsert im ong ya bikin fully recover na khendiat konsert bikin laban recover men ku ndu yo ban pentelon pat ya ka business ke joki nomor ba ka jaka dum kong kala khim ti ki plus ha jo por ki ni hawkers ru hadu matang kadang ya sa kajing yakran ngim patla ban pois kuno no conclusion nomor ba kajing yakran kadang ya chakmat ba district administration rangkat lang bat ka sarkar haju por ban bot den tik ya ke iki ba ka high court kala boy itu ki jing ki kendon ki bagi ban pendap te kita baro ki challenges nata baar kemo pi mena gi nokto nok them ki labon palat kator ko de kawai ne kita kiba ka lese publi ka penjenjar ka pen do dem do thia ai kini ginong yo publi mar ka mata ka barem menta te kinja ki mar ki mata kin chato te galong kam nei ka ba kai ki mo mar compensation ko mo ip kim pat yo ado menta ro mo kadi kata kan nakaliang ka board jong nakaliang jong Shnong hadin ba ka inspection ngila ya Shong ngila ya penbet but ngila ya keren ro ba ngin hak ban ya husiar ban ngaladap ong ru ya kitu ki market association nang tu kitu bosong yo mangin wan hi ban wan pet ban hajar jan kumno kat bangila ban ipai kenapa kum kini ki jingja ki no ban ja sho nakaliang ke MSCB di gilale ke bodan kamban le nakaliang jong ka market association nakaliang jong kinong song yo nakaliang ka jong kiru kin hak ban long adakar kendiat kenapa kum ke jingja kum bakal aja maka ing gani kayo hatu sin kanum jabi ang syuk ngani